Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 9th July 2024, Nifty index opened positive, and after the dip in the initial half, it recovered to 24,344 zones. It remained in a narrow range of around 100 points throughout the session. It formed a doji sort of candle on the daily frame and closed flattish. The index has squeezed in a narrow range from the last few sessions, but buying is intact at lower zones. India VIX was up by around 7% to 13.6 levels. Volatility slightly inched higher after cooling off in the entire previous week. Nifty put-call ratio settled around 1.18. Slight rise in volatility along with a higher put-call ratio suggests that momentum is to continue with support-based buying. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,000 to 24,500, while immediate range is in between 24,200 to 24,450. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 61 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,867 crores. FII's indexed long-short ratio is hovering at 83.6%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,250 to extend the move towards 24,500 and 24,600, whereas supports are placed at 24,200, then 24,050 zones. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 52,200 for an up move towards 52,650, then 52,750. While a hold below the same could see some weakness towards 52,000, then 51,900. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in FMCG, fertilizers, oil and gas, while profit-taking in banks, auto, cement and selective IT names. Now, stocks to keep on radar are from the defense space, which includes HAL and BEL, which is consistently shifting its pace on the higher zones. From the fertilizer, where the seasonality factor plays quite well, we have Chambal Fertilizers, FAT and Coromandel, which is looking quite positive. From the power and energy space, we have ONGC and GAIL. From the consumption and FMCG, where we can see a good short covering move which is driving this space, includes Dabur, Godrej CP and ITC. Then we have HAL and GMR Infra from the cap goods and infra space. Wish you a super trading day ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.